Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook not sending SMS code. So if you're trying to do something in Facebook that requires SMS code and it's just not sending to you, then the first thing you need to do is check if your connection is clear. Because if your Wi-Fi is slow or if your connection is slow as well, it's going to cause a problem. So check your network connection and your Wi-Fi connection, because if your Wi-Fi is slow, Facebook is not going to work properly, and if your network connection is bad, then basically your phone is not going to receive the SMS code. So do that and it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then what you can do is go inside your phone setting, and inside your phone setting go on general. Inside general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Over here you want to choose reset and click on where it says reset network setting. Now once you reset your iPhone's network setting, it should start to receive the SMS code. If it's still not receiving the SMS code, then it could be that you have tried it multiple times. So if you try to send SMS code to your phone number like multiple times, 5, 6, 7 times in a day, then what Facebook is going to think is someone is spamming your account to hack into it. In that case, they are going to disable your SMS code feature for 24 hours. In that case, the only thing you can do is wait for 24 hours, and after 24 hours, try it and it should be fixed. But sometimes you don't have to wait for 24 hours. Sometimes you can just delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again, and after reinstalling it, try to send SMS code again and it should work. So these are the methods you guys can try to follow in order to fix your Facebook not sending SMS code problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.